The easiest and most effective thing you can do to keep you safe in your vehicle is putting on your seatbelt. It's so quick and easy. ODOT District 12 and the Geauga County Safe Community Coalition took part in the Quick Click Challenge to prove how little time and effort it takes to put on a seatbelt.
Ready, go!
Oh,
What'd you do?
I was ready to switch seats.
Ready? Oh, yeah. Ready, go!
Okay, go! It's stuck!
Okay.
We need a recount!
Go!
Go! Woo! Done!
Wait. Done!
Let's go! Let's go! Woo! Done! Okay, got it. Come on, slow pose.
Where you at? Done!
Go.
Done.
Done. Done. Done.
Go.
Done. Done.
Done. Look at this one.
Oh.
You good? Okay. Oh shoot.
Done. Done.
You good? Okay. My bad.
Done.